The Food Service Exchange presents.
The Beverage Air Countertop Blast Chiller is small and compact, but has enough cooling power to deliver the needed results. The blast chill cycle takes product temperatures from 194 degrees to 37 degrees in 90 minutes. The shock freezing cycle takes the product down to 0 degrees within 4 hours. The CF031AG has 3 pan slides and comes standard with an electronic control. Users can set up to 99 programmable menu cycles. Parameters can be set to utilize either the probe or a timed cycle. Additionally, these countertop blast chillers offer both a hard chill cycle for dense foods like lasagna and potatoes, and a soft chill cycle for delicate foods such as fish and desserts. With top-of-the-line cooling power and flexibility, a Beverage Air Countertop Blast Chiller is a perfect addition to your commercial kitchen.